We take the things that make us happy for granted. When we constantly examine what we are thankful and why, we stop ignoring these blessings which make us happy. Practiced on a daily basis, gratitude becomes our natural state. Counting the blessings make people seek less, have better relationship, become more optimistic, and enjoy greater happiness in life. Practicing gratitude is good for you and your loved ones. Tell the people in your life what you appreciate about them. Science shows amazing benefits to our mind, body, and relationship when we say those two words, thank you. Gratitude actually rewires our brains and produces dopamine and serotonin like antidepressants. These are feel-good neurotransmitters which activate the feeling of happiness and contentment. Remember, you are grateful only if you feel happy while counting a blessing. If you feel it difficult to get the happy feeling, watch my video, Be Grateful for What You Have. The link is given in the description below. Gratitude is a great multiplier. You get more and more of what you are grateful for. With your heart, you touch the skies. Gratitude fills your heart and increases your self-worth. Gratitude is an open door to abundance. It will shift you to a higher frequency and you will attract much better things. Negativity in any form cannot exist in the energy field of love and gratitude. So overcome jealousy and negativity by focusing on gratitude. Never let any day pass without praising, appreciating and blessing those who are around you. Never let any day pass without praising, appreciating and blessing people and things around you. Make it your life commitment. You will not be the same person 2 months from now after consciously giving thanks each day for the abundance that exists in your life. Be grateful for your desire. Saturate that desire with gratitude in advance. Appreciate the things you find so beautiful about that desire. Be thankful about the limitless potential within you. Appreciate your abilities to imagine and feel. Gratitude is magic. So walk, talk, think and breathe appreciation and gratitude.